In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Roblox error code 529. This indicates a HTTP error, which typically means the Roblox servers are overloaded, down for maintenance, or your network connection is unstable. So the first thing you can do is open up a browser and then search for status.roblox.com. This is just going to verify that the servers are up and running. So the next thing we're going to check is that we have a solid internet connection. Preferably use a wired connection, but if that's not possible, then try get as close to the router as possible. You may also need to reset your router. To do this, just unplug your router for a minute or so and then plug it back in. Also make sure you don't have any VPNs active, so go into your settings, go to network and internet, now press VPN, and as you can see I have no VPNs installed. If I did, then this is where they'd live. Next thing we're going to do is clear our cache on our browser, so open up your browser, go to the three dots, go to delete browsing data. Now make sure that you have cached images and files selected, and you want to set the time frame to just before this issue arose. Now we need to delete the cache on our computer, so press the Windows key and R and then type in %temp%, press enter, press the three dots, press select all, and now put them in the bin and delete these. So next thing we're going to do is flush our DNS. To do this, open up your start menu and type in command prompt. Now you want to right click on this and press run as administrator. So now you just need to type in this command here, which will be ipconfig //flush DNS. Press enter. And now you can close this, open up your start menu, press on the power button, and just restart your computer quick. So if it's still not working, what we need to do is go into settings, go to apps, installed apps, and now search for Roblox. Click on the three dots and uninstall both the player and the studio. So once you've done that, you'll need to reinstall the app. To do this, go into your browser and type in roblox.com, and now press on any game. Press on this blue play button and follow the instructions on how to reinstall the game. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.